Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use WMI for system information gathering on our system. WMI is a powerful management technology in Windows that provides a standardized way to access system information, configuration, and control. We are going to use PowerShell to query WMI to retrieve the list of installed software on our system. So let's see. We're going to have our softwares, and we are going to use get WMI object commandlet to query the Win32 product class, which represent installed software on our system. We are then going to select specific properties such as name, vendor, and version and display the information in the output. So this will be get WMI object class Win32 product and select object, then property, name, vendor, version, use for each to loop through the software list, software in softwares, right host name, software name, software dot name, and then we are going to print vendor, software vendor, and then version. So our software version, and now we need to run our PowerShell script. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.